When I first had this thought, it was nothing more than, well, a thought, and would probably not ever be canon. But then I noticed something that changed it from merely a thought to potentially the explanation of every event that's ever happened on the server. Allow me to explain. What we know about the whole Laff/L4FF situation so far was that he hired an assassin that was supposed to kill the groom, but Mimi wearing a wedding dress confused the assassin and they shot Victoria instead. But there was still one big question. Why? I've heard the theories that Victoria was one of Beef Team 6, and she died to help Laff achieve his goal. But there's one thing that doesn't add up here. Laff himself said the assassin was supposed to shoot the groom. The groom was Meme God. Meme God had nothing to do with Beef Team 6. He didn't even know what that was. And Beef Team 6 was all about turning into cows. And that would have nothing to do with killing Meme God. It confused me for the longest time, but then I noticed this. The Laff Identity Book and Soul, which would allow someone to turn into Laff. Who, you ask?
A virus.
I think that virus is intelligent enough to do stuff like, say, hire assassins. Now, the reason I think this is because the voice said,
Every mammal on this planet instinctively develops a natural equilibrium with the surrounding.
and that the virus followed the same pattern. So if that virus were exposed to high-tech stuff, like, say, the transformation machine, it could develop a balance with that machine and become more intelligent. And I imagine that virus instinctively has an urge to infect. And who did it choose to infect? Meme God. How did it choose to infect him? With the transformation machine. Similar to the shape-shifting mod, I think the transformation machine works by killing the original thing, and then you have a book that you can use to transform into them. Why do I think this? Because there was dead monkey on the floor, and there was a monkey book. We've also never seen Johnny Clickbait or the other guy, so that means they were likely killed beforehand. After the assassin missed the original target, the virus was just thinking of what to do with the cow book when an unfortunate Laff happened to stumble in. Laff was then turned into that cow, and because, like Laff said, transforming someone will temporarily kill them, it still counts as killing, so he got a Laff book. The virus then turned into Laff, and then that is the Laff we've seen since episode 1. Why do I think Laff was turned into the cow? Well, Beef Jr. Beef Jr. is Laff. The reason I think this is because, well, why would there be a random cow? The cows in Beef Team 6 weren't tethered either. If this cow was going to be his second in command, wouldn't he be able to roam freely? No. This cow is Laff, and the virus has kept him here because he doesn't want him to somehow reveal that he isn't the real Laff. And now the explanation behind L4FF. After Nadway killed him, the virus would need some other life force to help it, to grow more. It had already grown pretty powerful inside Laff's body, but it wasn't finished, so it wasn't ready to be outside of Laff's body just yet. So it went back to Beef Jr. and harvested Laff's soul and kept it in him to use to become stronger and therefore become L4FF. Now, because the real Laff was inside of him, if he were presented with something that tethered Laff back to reality, like, say, a Laff loaf, Laff might have a few seconds of being in control, which is exactly what Mimi activated near the end of the stream. There's really no other motive other than Laff actually being stuck because L4FF was already so powerful. It would have no reason to pretend that the actual Laff was trapped. I'm gonna be honest, this made a lot more sense in my head. But it's out on YouTube now, so I shall let YouTube judge. See ya.